Hello friends, if you want to understand the concept of inputs and outputs in Python or in any programming language, please watch this video. You can see in the figure here one monitor, mouse, keyboard. So what do you understand from this? We can enter, we can give any message to the computer by using this keyboard and mouse. We can write anything using keyboard. We can move our cursor and do left click, right click using mouse. So these are the inputs to the computer. User inputs. We are giving any numbers. We are writing any text using keyboard, and we are doing right click, left click using mouse. That is input to the computer. So what it will do with that input? It will take the inputs and it will do whatever we need, and it will give some output. It will display some message on the screen in on the monitor. So that is the output. Now let's understand inputs and outputs in Python with an example. Like here, this is the sugarcane juicer machine, and to sugarcane juicer machine we have to give sugarcane, and it will make juice and it will give juice as a output. So here for this system, so this system is in programming language, it is function. System or machine is function, and sugarcane is input, juice is output. Let's understand one more example. Here this is one function a plus b. A is a input, b is another input, and we will add a and b, and then we will get some number output. So suppose if we are adding one number, so a is here variable is a container which contains variables like a number a can be 10 or 20 or 30. So it will store a number. I will explain about variables in next video. Yeah, so you can watch later. And another input, suppose here 15. So a is 10, b is 15. Then if we add 10 and 15, what we will get? We will get 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. So here 10 and 15 are input. This system or function in programming language or in program will add, and it will give us to 25 as an output. Similarly, we can define some function like fx. Fx is equal to x square. So here in this system or in this function, what is input? X is input and fx is output, and fx is equal to x square. So if we will give x is equal to 4, then what we will get? We will get output is equal to f of x is equal to x square, means 4 square is equal to f of x is equal to x square is equal to 4 square is equal to 16. Now I will explain about some functions in Python to understand and to use of input and output. Here you can see input and print. So input will can be used to take input from the users. Like in previous example, two numbers a and b, 10 or 10 and 15 are any numbers. So how can we get? We can get those numbers using this input function, and we have to show the output, the sum of two numbers to the user or in display or in screen. So for that we have to use print function to display the message or to the output. This is one more function, format. This can be used to frame the output, like the sum of a means 10, then sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So that we can frame in a structure and show to the user on the screen. Now let's write some program in Python to understand input and output using this input output function. I will create one Python file, input and output py extension Python. Open. To open it, right click, edit with, ideally I will use 3.7, you can use anyone. So let's define one variable, a is equal to input. Here we have to write message. We can write message, any message, to make user understand what they have to do. So enter a number. If we will write this message, enter a number, then user can understand, yes, I have to enter some number. Similarly, b is equal to input, enter another number. Okay, and c is the output, another variable. A is one variable, it will contain one number. B is another variable, it will contain another number, and c will contain the sum of two numbers. So c is equal to a plus b, and we have to display this output. So we can say like the sum of number 1, like example 10, and number 2 in example 20 is equal to 30. So the sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So that message we have to show using print function. F, this is a syntax, you have to remember this. F, the sum of a and b is c, quotation closed and bracket closed. Here this input will take string, but we want integer to add numbers. We want numbers, so we have to we have to convert this string. A string means some type of message, like number of characters like hello, any word, but we can't add two words, right? If we have to add two numbers, so we want numbers only. So we have to convert that string to int. Int means integer. We can use this int function, int, to convert this string to a number. If it is 10, the 10 string will be converted to number. Similarly here also, int 10, 20, and c is equal to a plus b. Print the sum of a and b is c. So let's run this program and see what is the output. Run module. Here you can see it is asking enter a number. Here we have written enter a number, so it is displaying. It means I have to enter some number. I will enter 10. Again it will go to second line and it is asking another, enter another number. Another number, let's enter 30. Now it will come to, if we enter again, it will come to here, it will add 10 plus 30 and C will contains now 40. So the sum of this is the output. Here we have mentioned the sum of a means 10, here 10, and b means 30, is c means a plus b is equal to 40. The sum of 10 and 30 is 40. Similarly, we can display any message also using print function, like you can print your name. So let's define name is equal to Hari, or you can write your name. Now print name. So here you can see Hari. Hari is displayed here. Hari means, here name means Hari. Similarly, you can use input function to get your name. So my name is equal to input, enter your name, enter your name. Suppose my name is Sam, so I will write Sam. You can write your name, enter. Now this variable my name contains this Sam, because my variable is equal to this input. So here we have given this name, so my name will contain input, this Sam name. Now we can print, display this name using print function. My name is what? So this variable my name, my name, string close, enter. You can see output, my name is Sam. My name is my name variable. So my name variable contains Sam. So that's why it is Sam here. So you can practice with these two function, input and print,